Hey there, it's Des for T-Mobile, and today we're unboxing the new Samsung Tab A7 Lite, a compact tablet perfect for entertainment on the go, connected by T-Mobile's nationwide network. Let's check it out. The Tab A7 Lite features a large 8.7-inch LCD display with Dolby Atmos dual speakers. The A7 Lite is designed for durability with a minimized bezel and premium metal body. On the back, the Tab A7 Lite has an 8-megapixel rear camera, and on the front you'll find a 2-megapixel front-facing camera with facial recognition. The Tab A7 Lite has the power to keep you connected throughout the day. It has a powerful 5100 mAh battery with USB-C fast charging. The Tab A7 Lite runs on Android 11 out of the box, has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage with a micro SD card expansion slot. Now in the box we find the Tab A7 Lite, documentation, USB-C charging cable, and fast charger. It's a compact tablet built for entertainment, connected by T-Mobile's nationwide network. The new Samsung Tab A7 Lite is now available at T-Mobile. For more information, visit your favorite T-Mobile store or go online to T-Mobile.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for another great T-Mobile video coming up next.